In this video, I will show you how to add a new contact to your Zeus database. By clicking on Contacts, we are brought directly to the Contact search page. Before we enter a new contact into Zeus, it is vitally important that we ensure they're not already in the system. Adding duplicate contacts can cause you difficulty in the future, so carefully check for the contact first. In this example, we will add a contact named Wayne Gretzky to our database. To ensure Wayne is not already in our system, let's search for the first 3 letters of his surname. As you can see, there are no Gretzkys in the system, so we can proceed to enter the contact by clicking Add Contact. This brings us to the quick entry screen where we'll fill out the information for Wayne. As you can see, fields written in red font are required for accreditation, and those with an asterisk are compulsory in order to complete the contact add. We'll begin by typing the contact's first and last names. Before entering the email address, we must select the mail type. We can add more than one email address, with only one of the 2 being marked as their primary address. As with the email, the address type must be selected before we can enter the address. Within the address field, enter the house or apartment number and the name of the street. Followed by the city and local authority. The definition of local authority will vary depending on which country you are in. It may represent state, province, island, etc. We'll now enter the phone number. Again, the first requirement is to select the phone number type. A common mistake here is to enter the area code in place of the country code. Keep in mind that these are not the same. In this example, we are using the Bahamas Zeus site, so the country code is 1. We'll then enter the area code, followed by the phone number. Finally, we have the option to associate the contact with an organization. Organizations are a means of categorizing your contacts. For this example, let's assume Wayne is the president of the Bahamas Swimming Federation. We will click on the search icon next to organization name. Within this search field, I need to enter a portion of the organization name in order to find it. Let's search for swim. As you can see, this brings up the Bahamas Swimming Federation, which we'll then click. Now that Wayne has been added to the Bahamas Swimming Federation, the next step is to enter the contact's position within that organization. In this case, Wayne will be the president. Finally, we choose the role that the contact plays within the organization. As president, Wayne will be the head of organization for the BSA. When we have completed all of the contact information, we click Save, which adds the contact to the database. Now we can see that Wayne Gretzky is appearing under the GRE contact search, along with his phone number and email address. If I click his name, you can see the more detailed information, including his address. Under the Organization tab, we can see that Wayne is associated with the Bahamas Swimming Federation. Wayne's details can then be added or edited later on by clicking on the appropriate tab.